Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Creating sales order. A sales order is a document that provides the details of an order and the terms of the transaction. It's created by the seller after a buyer submits a purchase order. To create a sales order, click the search icon and enter sales order, then choose the related link. Click New to create a new sales entry. In the customer name field, enter the name of an existing customer. Fill in the remaining fields on the sales order page as necessary. You're now ready to fill in the sales order lines with inventory items. On the Lines Fast tab, in the Type field, select what type of product or transaction you post to the customer on the sales line. In the Number field, enter the number of an inventory item or service. In the Quantity field, enter the number of items to be sold. When the sales order lines are completed, choose the Post and Send action.